Hello guys. This is FX Studio Trading Token. Yeah. So this week we are just gonna share analysis on what to expect in this weekly overview. Right. So first and foremost, we're gonna go to our economic calendar. So it's very wise to set it to this is investing.com, where you can check the weekly events. Weekly events, remember, they push the market to where it should go. I hope you guys can hear me. Can you hear me? Okay. Um, so cool with tomorrow's event. I think today was more of a, I don't know, can you see my screen, guys? Okay, okay, let me share screen. I hope you guys can. All right, all right, all right. So today there was zero events, right? Today there was zero events. Just close this. So we're looking at this week's event. Let me just start off with explaining the three stars, the stars actually. So one star, low volatility expected. Two stars, moderate volatility expected. Three stars, obviously high volatility expected, which means that high expect movement, like high movement to occur, right? Um, so tomorrow we're having a busy morning at half past eight with core retail sales and China. Okay. Don't take that as please don't take that as offensive. I just said China. Okay, cool. Then we go off to CPI at 5 a.m. For Euro, and then half past eight, half past 10. So market is moving. So it's really going to be moving. And then half past eight, we have initial job claims, Philadelphia at half past eight as well. Existing wholesales at 10 o'clock. Fed Chair Powell speaks at 12 o'clock. So we already know what to expect this week. We're expecting high movement, preferably in the AMs. But but if you're trading indices, it's always best to I'm having one. So, but if you're trading indices, it's always best to trade it in the PMs, if you get what I mean, if you don't want to blow. Let's start with US 30. This is my favorite trade to trade. We start off at the daily time frame. Oh no, this is not US 30. This is USD JPY. Gold. Okay, cool. US 30. So this is US 30, right? It's always good to start on a higher time frame. It's always good to start on a higher time frame. Okay, cool. So as we can see, right, we we kind of like we just broke a trend line. We just kind of like broke a trend line. Uh, we just kind of broke a trend line. So obviously, you know what that means. Break of trend line, we need to come back and test it, right? And then I'm just gonna draw my some blocks, my market structures, so I know where to reference how to, right? Okay. Hmm. All right. So we know that structure is very important, and we can also see a structure here that is also very important. And if you know how to trade, you can see a prop head and shoulder here. All right. You can see that structure. So the market is going that structure. So on a high time frame, we're waiting for this to retest. So I'm expecting the market to I just want to properly market and include those wicks. So I'm expecting market to just fly up to this point and then come back down, right? Should we go dive in deeper? Let's dive deeper. Okay, 4 hours. We said what? Cool. Exactly, exactly, exactly. So, no, just not the one. Just play it. Just weekly analysis, guys, not explaining or teaching you. As you can see, nice head and shoulder. Now, okay, let's just put it there. Nice head and shoulder, gents. Nice head and shoulder. Right. And then let's also draw some structure. Let's draw the highest structure. Look. Let's go to the highest structure. All right. So let's go for the highest structure, which is that one. So market broke out. Market needs to come back and retest. Right, cool. Let's just do this. Market needs to come back and retest. And then you can even do a nice trend line, yeah? Right. So I'll be looking for buys on USDT. Long position. Cool. I'll be waiting for market to come back to my moving average. And then maybe that would be my first TP. And then that would be my second TP. So I'll be waiting like a hawk. This from my perspective, we are in for some nice buys. Ah, nice buys. Might even touch this trend line. Might even come back to this trend line. Or might not even at all. Might not even at all. This was a perfect break. So might even shift my buy from me. Yes, might even shift my buy from there. Yes, that's a perfect trend line continuation. But to be safe, gents, if to be safe, gents, I think rather the best decision is to just buy from there. Right. Okay. Someone also said gold, oh, USDJ price, sorry. Let's start with USDJPY. Yes, my friends. Yes, my friends. So markets. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah. Looking at the 30 minutes, that would be my first entry. And then daily. On the daily. No, not the daily. Wow. Sorry, guys. I just hit major. That's why it turned back down because it just hit major rejection. So it needs to come back. So safe bet. If it went up, look for just draw your fibs, and then go from there. But this is the safest you can buy. We're looking for buys this time. Proper head and shoulder setup. Right, cool. USD Let's go to USD right? So what do we see here? What do we see? What do we see? So obviously this thing is in channel, right? It's in a channel. It's in a it's been in a channel, right? You can just drag that. And then this is almost the same. Channels almost the same. And I'd like to give you insight on something, right? With correlation. So what you can do is just go to gold. At gold. Sorry guys, gold. So I think I'll just be analyzing USDT and gold and USD JPY at the same time. So let's just add gold. So let's just compare, with gold. Right. Let's just wait for cool. Right. So if you check, right, this is opposite of gold. So USDJ price opposite of gold. So if USDJ price goes up, gold goes down, right? So if you check here, gold has went up. Hey, people died here. Hey, people died with this bullish movement here. So what has happened with gold hasn't happened yet on USDJ price. So let me just close here. So moving on to the 4 hour, we're expecting sells. We're expecting sells in USD JPY. So, right. So USD JPY takes time to move. It takes a lot of time. So best bet is another trend line. So best bet is wait for this trend line to break. Right. Wait for this trend line to break. Right. Wait for this trend line to break. But market should be going here, gents. Should be going there. I'm highly positive and affirmative that it should be going there. So my short position would start off maybe here. My short position would start off there and my long term. So this is a long-term trade, guys. It's a long-term trade and it will pay. It will pay. So now let's go to gold. Simple, gents. I don't wanna stress you out and give you so much things. Drawings. All right. All right. Okay, right. Um, gold, ne? Oh, yeah, it's a sign to get away from this. It's a sign to get away from this. So you don't understand. Gold is moving. Yeah, yeah. I think as a trader, if you don't see any good setup, just stay away from it. If you don't see any good setups, just stay away from it. But I will, in the mentorship group, I will give more information on what is due to gold. All right, cheers, gents. Shop, shop.